Here I'm going to talk about how to implement one simple Java program with real object. Folks, we already discussed about class and object principles, right? So object is nothing but one simple real-time entity which has state and behavior. Assume that if you're taking any object that is either physical or logical entity, employee. So how to recognize or how to identify a specific employee? Okay. To identify a specific employee, we just need to know employee ID, employee name, and or employee designation or salary or mobile number, whatever. Okay. And what employee can do. So if you are implementing some details related to employee, we just need to capture the details of employee, get employee details, and first we need to set employee details. If you are implementing any ERP application or something, so these are called simply state, and these are behavior. So how to implement state by using fields, and how to implement behavior by using methods. Let me implement the simple object in a programmatic way by using class and object support. Let me create separate project for this. As you know the structure, first we need to choose the option file, and after that new. Let me use magnified for this. So here let me increase. See here, first we need to click on the option file, and after that new Java project. And here our project name is some ERP application, and Java version is 23, and click on next button. After that, one folder is created automatically, that is SRC, and after that you just need to click on finish button. Okay, finish. So here the project is look like this ERP application which comes with Java environment and SRC folder. So better to remove this file, so this is not required. Better to remove it, delete, click on OK. Okay, fine. So here let me create one simple class in SRC folder. So by just choosing the option new, and here the required class name is the option is class, and here the class name is employee, and the package name is some com.erp. Okay, after that you just need to choose this main method, select this checkbox and click on finish button. How simple it is. Now we can able to see the basic class structure like this. Okay, public class employee with the main method. So as you know, every object contains some state and some behavior, right? So let me come up with the state by using fields like employee ID, employee name, employee mobile number. So employee ID is number type, so better to use integer data type. Employee name is string type, better to use string data type. Mobile number is in long type, better to use the data type long. And to represent behavior, we just need to use string, and this is long data type. To represent behavior, as you already told you, we are using, or we call it as simply methods. Fields, okay, and methods. Void set employee data. So here we need employee ID. So we need to get this information from the employee. So better to pass in duplicate data like A, string B, and long C. So the real fields are employee ID, but we try to pass the duplicate value A, employee name is equal to B, employee mobile number is equal to C. How simple it is. After that, to get the employee data, just write get employee data method. So these are not predefined methods, use a different method, depends on our requirement. I just try to create method like this. So this is the syntax of creating any method in Java. Let me print the employee details one by one by using system.out.println statement. Employee details, or so first let me print employee ID information. Employee ID is plus of employee ID. Next one, employee name. So better to print it. System.out.println. Employee name is plus of employee name. System.out.println. One more is employee mobile number is plus of employee mobile number. How simple it is. So here, whatever the required information, we just try to implement it with the help of class. And if you wanted to execute these methods, we just need to create object for this class. So what's your class name? Create object. Our class name is employee. Better to create object by using this syntax. Class name, object name is equal to new keyword, and after that one constructor, employee. So this is the way to create object in Java. We already discussed about this. And after that, let me call the methods employee set employee data. So employee ID is some 1001, employee name is some Rahul, and employee mobile number is some mobile number. Okay, some mobile number. So we just need to pass this flag L because it's a long data type, right? So after that, e dot get employee data. E dot, the next method is e dot get employee data. So like this, we need to create a simple program like this. Now folks, let me execute the simple program by just right click on the program. Okay, so here we need to right click on this program, run as Java application. We can able to see output as employee details are employee ID, employee name, employee mobile number. But folks, here the drawback is we just try to pass the required information here itself in the main method itself. But generally, our agenda is as a developer, we need to give the chance to end user, right? Then how to get the data from keyboard? So for that, we need to know about how to get user input information. So to get user input, we need to use one simple class, that is scanner class. So one really useful class that handles input from a user is called scanner class. It is available in java.util package. So you need to create object for that class in our program like this scanner with some object name new scanner by one simple parameter, that is system.in, which is used to provide communication between your console and keyboard. Okay, so let me use this class to get user input in our program. So for that, I'm just going to create object for the class. Okay, get user input. For that, we need to use one simple class. The class name is scanner. SE equal to new scanner of, we need to provide communication between your monitor and keyboard by using this system.in. So the scanner is a predefined class available in java.util. So you need to import this class in our program. See there, import. So all the import statements should be the first statements in our program. Okay. And after that, let me write one simple statement, that is system.out.println get welcome to ERP portal. Let me get the details one by one. Please enter your employee ID. So now user is going to enter some employee ID, right? So how to get it in a integer format? There is a predefined method. Okay, so that is next int. You need to use this predefined method to capture numbers related information, integer related information. Better to store this information into any variable. And after that, let me get employee name also. Please enter your employee name. So here, to get employee information in string format, there is a predefined method next, or you can use next line also, anything. Okay, by using next method, I just try to capture string information, and better to store this into any variable like string b. In the same way, we need to capture one more information, that is mobile number. Please enter your mobile number. I mean, we are giving the chance to employee to enter all the details. So that is long type. So better to store this information into any variable, and the required predefined method is sc dot next long. How simple it is. Now all the data comes from the end user. Okay, and the data is stored in the variables like a, b, c. So instead of this details, we can pass the details which is entered by the end user like a, b, c. How simple it is. So now let me execute the simple program. By just right click on the program, choose the option run as, and after that choose the option Java application. See there, this is the console. We can able to see welcome to ERP portal. Please enter your employee ID. Assume that if employee ID is 1001, please enter your name, some Rahul. Please enter your mobile number, some mobile number. Okay, see there, we can able to see employee details or employee ID, employee name, employee mobile number. How simple it is.